Hello, good morning students. Today we'll study pest of paddy. Paddy is attacked mainly by gandhi bug, rice grasshopper and his. We'll start with rice gandhi bug, that is Leptocoryza vericornis. Systematic position: phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hemiptera, family Elaeidae, genus Leptocoryza, species Vericornis. Distribution: it is generally distributed throughout India but is more prevalent in Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and southern states. It is commonly called as Gandhi Keeda. Marks of identification: it is an active greenish yellow insect with long legs and characteristic buggy odor. The adult measures about an inch in length. Nature of damage: they infest paddy crops in large number. When it comes to flour, with their sucking mouth parts, they suck out the milk from the newly formed grains, which soon shrivel. The stalks remain quite sound but without grains. Control methods include cultural method, as the bugs feed and breed on various types of grasses, especially during off-season. Removal of grasses from field and field bunds help in reducing the pest population. Draining out water from infested field for 3 to 4 days is also helpful. Crop rotation is advisable. Chemical methods: dusting with 5% BHC at 15 kg per hectare soon after the pest is noted in the field. Malathion and methylparathion dust is also effective. Spraying of 0.25% DDT or BHC or 0.04% Andrin at least for 2 weeks before the harvesting. Mechanical control: collection of bugs with hand nets and their destruction is a useful mechanical method. Biological control: Cicindela 6 punctata pentatomid prey upon the nymph and adults of Leptocoryza. Coming to the life cycle. After copulation, female lays eggs symmetrically into 2 or 3 rows. Eggs are dark colored, oval in outline, flattened at the top. Eggs hatch in about a week. The young nymphs have slender green body and longer legs. These nymphs generally take about 20 days to attain full maturity. All stages of developing bug clusters round the ripening ears and suck out the juices. This pest is more common during July to November. During winter, their breeding rate is lowered much and the adult manage to tide over the cold on several species of grasses. On paddy, it has 5 broods during the season. So, this rice gandhi bug, it completes its life cycle as egg, nymph and adult. Nymph and adult suck the juices. So this is how the individual look like on the crop, and the egg of the Leptocoryza, nymph and the adult. Coming to the second individual, that is rice grasshopper, that is Hieroglyphus banyan. Systematic position: phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Orthoptera, family Acridiidae, genus Hieroglyphus, species banyan. Distribution: it is distributed throughout India and it is considerable to be the major pest of paddy. Mark of identification: the adult are medium-sized insects, usually greenish and practically without any spot. They measures 5 cm in length. Breeding season is from October to December. Eggs are laid in the soil on the field buds in masses of 30 to 40. The hoppers emerge out in the month of June after first monsoon. They feed on leaves of paddy and grasses on the bun. The hoppers take 70 days in case of male and 80 days in case of female to become sexually mature. Nature of damage. Damage is caused both by the adults and the nymphs. They are polyphagous pests. The greatest amount of damage is caused during August to September when both adult and nymph feed on paddy and other crops, causing defoliation. The female starts laying eggs by inserting her abdomen in the soil. The eggs are laid 5 to 8 cm deep in pods, each containing 30 to 40 eggs. Both young and adult stages feed upon the leaves and shoot of paddy. They also cut off the ear heads. So this is how the individual look likes. The life cycle, it includes egg, nymph and the adult. Coming to the third individual, it is rice hispa, that is Dicledespa armigera. Systematic position: phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Coleoptera, family Chrysomelidae, genus Dicledespa, species armigera. Distribution: it is found all over rice tracts of India and is ranked as major pest of paddy. It has been observed in South and North India that when the paddy is grown as third crop, it suffers badly. Adult is small bluish black beetle fringed with numerous short spines all over the body. The female beetles start laying eggs only 3 to 4 days after emergence and continues to do so for a month. Female lays about 300 eggs. The eggs are pushed inside the leaf tissue singly close to the leaf tip. They hatch in about 5 to 7 days. The grubs start feeding on the mesophyll portion of leaf and become fully grown in about 15 days. Pupation takes place inside the tunnel formed by the larva, which lasts for nearly 5 days. The total life cycle is completed in about 20 to 25 days. Maximum lifespan of adult is about 80 days. Generally, 6 life cycles are completed by insect in 1 year. In the absence of rice, the insect keep themselves alive on gramineous weeds. Nature of damage: the adult as well as the grub feed on the leaves of paddy and give rise to blisters or blotches. The adult eats away the green matter, resulting in withering and drying of leaf. The presence of characteristic parallel white lines on the leaf surface is an indication of the attack of this beetle. The average loss by the pest to paddy crop varies between 5 to 60%. So this is how it looks like with large number of spines, and these parallel lines, they are the indication of the crop infested by the hispa. So our sincere thanks to www.google.com for providing beautiful pics so that we can explain our topic well. Thank you.